Hey guys, today I'm going to be cleaning the throttle body on my Toyota Celica to make sure it's more power and more miles per gallon, so come with me. This is what my engine bay looks like right now. It's pretty clean. I have this heat shield right here, air intake, all DIY. Now that the coupler's off, I'm going to be using this gum out carb and shield cleaner to spray in there. Hopefully get deep in there. There's a little rectangle piece that I'm supposed to be spraying into, and I'm also going to be scrubbing it with a toothbrush to hopefully clear up all the carbon deposits and make this run a little better. Right, I'm going to try my best not to get this on any of the rubber or plastic part. I'm just going to spray this in there like this, pretty liberally. And then not only that, but I'm going to open up the valve to make sure the other part of the throttle body also gets some carb cleaning in there. We got some bunch of carbon on here, so hopefully this worked out and got it clean as possible. Everything's back in. It took me a little while to put that back on, but it's okay. We got it on. Everything's tightened up. Let's hope it runs well and there's good throttle response. See you guys in the car. I did hear that on first startup after doing the throttle body cleaning, there might be some trouble starting it up just because all that carb cleaner might be running through the engine. I don't know if that's bad or not, but it's okay. Let's hear it. There we go. Okay.
Waiting for pairing. Paired.
Dropping down. Let's see, actually. Dropped down pretty fast. Engine's still pretty cold. Down, nice. No check engine light. Come to the back here. No smoke coming out. I think it got rid of all that carb cleaner. Alright, so now let's see. What's up? It's me again. So after driving it for a while, I did not notice any increase in miles per gallon, but I also have no way of checking for real, so just going off of what I've been experiencing. I think it helped. I mean, the throttle response is there. It's kind of nice. Feels a little fast. Ooh. But I have no idea if it actually did anything or if it's just like nice little cleaning to do to help maintain your engine. But yeah, you guys should try it. It's pretty easy, pretty nice, fun. But yeah.